I'm here to tell you about the key features of the LNMH120 355-380W solar module series by Linuo Photovoltaic High Tech. Striving for efficiency and reliability, we integrated a range of new technologies in this product, including half-cut cells, multi-bus bars, and larger than conventional 166mm wafers. Ranging from 355 to 380 watts, this series has an excellent conversion efficiency of up to 20.86%. Half-cut cells configuration enhances performance by reducing resistive losses, better managing shading effects, and decreasing the thermodynamic stress from cells contractions in the changing temperature conditions. Smaller cells also make them more resistant to cracking and mechanical impact. A 9-bus bar cell design brings more advantages, allowing for smaller electrical current, lower cell-to-module losses, and further minimization of hotspots risk. Powerful and efficient modules let you save installation space and reduce the balance of system costs. Since power output per module is bigger, lesser area and fewer components are required to produce the same power. Stability of power generation is guaranteed with 0 to 5 watts positive power sorting. The module is reliably protected with 3.2mm tempered glass with an anti-reflection coating and anodized aluminium frame, allowing it to withstand a snow load of up to 5,400 Pascal and a wind load of up to 2,400 Pascal. An IP68 protected junction box with 3 bypass diodes provides excellent protection in wet and dirty environments, ensuring internal electronics stay safe in harsh conditions. A wide operating temperature range from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius makes these suitable for very diverse environments, including areas with drastic day to night temperature changes. Manufactured from carefully chosen high-quality materials and components and designed to guarantee quality, long-lasting service life, efficiency, and stable output, our modules represent a highly flexible solution for diverse installation types and areas. We obtained multiple certifications for this product. Its design conforms to IEC 61215 and safety to IEC 61730. Other certificates include European CE, Chinese CQC, and so on. Warranty terms for this product are 12-year product warranty and 25-year linear performance warranty. For shipping, 31 pieces are packed per pallet, with 806 modules in a 40-foot high cube container. Our fast response customer team will ensure full technical support and a trouble-free experience with your order. We are a dedicated manufacturer of solar power solutions with 2 gigawatts annual module production capacity, more than 200 patents, headquarters and production in China, and products shipped to over 30 countries, including Germany, Italy, Spain, Greece, Belgium, USA, Brazil, Chile, Australia, Japan, South Africa, and many more. We are ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 accredited, with a fully automated manufacturing line with state-of-the-art technology that guarantees the highest quality and reliability of our solar modules in accordance with industry standards.